This is Physics Chapter 2, Problem 79, and 79 reads, a Porsche challenges a Honda to a 400-meter race. Because a Porsche's acceleration of 3.5 meters per second squared is larger than the Honda's 3 meters per second squared, the Honda gets a 100-meter head start. It is only 300 meters from the finish line. Assume somewhat unrealistically that both cars can maintain these accelerations the entire distance. Who wins and by how much time? Okay, so to find the distance, to find how much time it takes each one, we're going to use this equation, x final minus equals x initial plus velocity initial times time plus 1/2 acceleration times t squared. So it gives us that our x final is 400 meters, our x initial is 0, our velocity initial is also 0, and then our acceleration is 3.5 meters per second squared, and then we don't know our t squared, that's what we were solving for. So you multiply these, and then you bring 400 over here, and then you get t squared by itself. So that gives you 400 over 1.75, and then you have to, so that should equal 289. And since t squared, we have to get t by itself, you just do the square root of 289, and that should give you 15.11 seconds. That's the time for the Porsche. And then our Honda, we use the same equation, x final equals x initial plus velocity initial times our time plus 1/2 times our acceleration times t squared. And so it gives us different values here. Our x final is 300, our x initial is 0, and our velocity initial is 0 as well. Our acceleration for the Honda is 3 meters per second, and then our time squared. We're also solving for time squared here. So our time squared should equal 300 over 1.5, and that should be 200. And so we have to find the square root of those to find just t, and that gives us 14.14 seconds. So we're finding who wins and by how much time. So we just have to subtract the Porsche's time and the Honda's time. And so then that gives us 15.11 minus 14.14, and our time should be 0.97 seconds.